Hey guys, and welcome to the second video of Brixonia. So, in today's video, we are going to be showing you what has been added to the game since the last video. But before we get started, I would like to let you know that we are going to release the very first test of Brixonia somewhere in May, so please make sure to join our Discord, link down in description. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, there's quite a bit of new environmental stuff around here. So for example, this warning sign, sunflower, and then also this fence, and there's a painting. But the first feature that I'd like to show you is a dice. So what a dice does essentially is that you punch it and then it will roll a number. So in our case it was 2. Let's give it another try. Okay, we got 3. Very nice. Let's move on. So here are a few bushes, and now another feature which I'm really proud of. So this is a checkpoint. So let's say you want to respawn, then you respawn right here. So it will save the location where you last went through. And here are spikes, so we can jump over them. And I already died because, I'm a bad jumper. Okay, nice. And, well, that's about it. We got these death spikes and the checkpoint. Okay, so to top it off, there are gates, which you can also control. And yeah, so you can open and close them. And now quite a massive new feature. So what you're looking at right now is a display case where you can display your items. So let's say I want to display a cave background, and boom, it's now displayed, and I can pick it up by removing the item. We could try adding something else. So let's add, for example, my glasses, and we could also add the fence. Okay, nice. Then we got a few flowers around here, a TV, and a clock, a window, and well, we've pretty much reached the end. But these are the two. I wouldn't call them the major features, but the most important features so far that are going to be representing our game. Okay, so let's try to sell an item. For example, let's list Sidey brown hair. Okay, so first the quantity will be 1. Let's set the price to 50 world locks. It will estimate that the tax will be 2 world locks, and I will receive 48 world locks. Seems fair. Duration 72 hours. Let's list it, and boom, we have our listing up here, and other players will be able to purchase it. Okay, so now that you have had a look at the marketplace, let me show you the mailbox. So right here we can send each other or other players messages when they are, for example, offline. Then you can leave a message here. So let's type, hey, how are you doing? Haven't heard of you in a while. And send letter. Your letter has been placed in the mailbox. And now we can see the messages that I wrote to myself. Hey, how are you doing? Haven't heard of you in a while. And we can clear that as well, so there are no more messages. And we can't forget bumpers. So these are for the parkours. So if you want to make a parkour, that's quite useful to use. And yeah, well, there's quite a bit more stuff that I didn't show here today. I just wanted to walk you guys through it. It is like basic gameplay features, but in the long term they make up a lot. So yeah, this is a bonfire, so you can also toggle it. Here's the cactus, so it does damage. Emotes that we have, so you can emote around here. These are quite in an early phase, so these are not final. Then we also have quests, another thing that is getting reworked at some point, so this is very early stage of the quest feature. So you will have achievements around here and daily quests, which you can complete and get gems and EXP for. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back really soon with another devlog. Stay cool and peace.